are racing the Winter Showdown 2023 is green.
Kanky out to the lead. It is Rocha and the 22 of Andy Allen battling for the second spot, but the pack is in turn number 3 and 4 right now. Rocha looking to the inside on Kanky into turn number 3. Lane Rocha, contact. I was getting ready to talk about how Rocha is the traveling man lately, it seems, in SRL racing competition, but he's got to get by Kanky.
So let me get this straight. We're 3 laps into this race and we're already door slamming for the lead.
Yeah.
I like it. Oh, we're doing it again out of turn number 4.
These two battling for the lead, putting on a show up front, but you got to wonder what's going on with the windshield on back from third place.
Right front damage already on the 98 of Rocha. These drivers are getting desperate and quick. Caution.
I would not be surprised if we have debris on the track.
I wouldn't be surprised if they were like, we just need to breathe.
Through the gears and back to green.
And we're going to just continue right where we left off, aren't we?
I think so.
Rocha and Kanky side by side for the lead. Chase Hansen, he's just enjoying the show right now. Starting to fall more into their lap as he gets into Dan Holtz out of turn number 2. See, he's showing off his speed. The 98 machine of Blaine Rocha, why do I bring him up as one to watch?
Fast.
Yes.
Consistent.
Yes.
No luck.
That driver has a hex on him that he's been trying to get rid of. And I think what he's working on right now is maybe if I lap the field, whatever bad luck hits me, we'll have time to fix it.
Yeah.
Because he is driving away from second place Kel Kanky.
Battle down the back straightaway. Jace Hansen now looking at inside of Kel Kanky. And they keep it off each other. I wasn't sure. Coming out of turn number 4, they look like they were getting mighty close. Ooh, and now, if that wasn't contact, that was aero dependency.
Look, Kel Kanky is a dirt driver. If Jace wants to help him get sideways, Kel might be even more in his element.
Helms working the inside on Kel Kanky. A little more than 100 laps to go. Rocha out front. Hansen, I want to have you give me an update because the last time I checked, it was just about 2 seconds.
Difference?
Yeah.
Well, it's getting shorter.
It's gone by a lot. Almost 1 second now.
Yeah. Well,
there you see visually.
It goes back and forth. But yeah, 1.4 seconds that time. They just lapped the 24 of Scott Sanchez riding in the 14th position.
Lap number 88.
Yep. This is the competition yellow that we anticipated. The only one that was guaranteed.
Base truck is off, and the field is going back to green here at the Winter Showdown.
Oh boy. Here comes Hansen looking for the lead over Rocha, and he takes it from him. Looks like some bumper tag going through turns 1 and 2. Yeah, Robertson right into maybe a little bouncing off there.
It gets tight out of turn number 2. That's the spot that these drivers dread when you're side by side.
Yes. Robertson trying to get by Zampa. Maybe.
I think the patience is
so.
Starting to wear, and we're only 65 laps into this race.
Yeah, but guess what? That means we're right around halfway. So Zampa doing a great job being consistent, kind of holding off the line, because this is what Robertson just hasn't been able to do anything outside of maybe contact.
Yeah, that got real steppy out of turn number 4. And for those of you watching,
Robertson way wide there on turn 1. This is the last of our guaranteed yellows in this race, and this is going to be a break for these drivers to have an opportunity to work on their cars, make some adjustments, but guess what? No new tires for you. How will the last 55 laps play out in this one? We find out together as we go back to racing.
Well, looks like Hansen's going to get the restart, but no, the car washes up, and here comes Blaine Rocha. Right as I was saying it, now we are duking it out for the lead, probably for the win at this point.
This could be the last restart. You're going to push it here hard because you want to get as much track position as you can.
Oh, yeah, we are down to it now.
Oh, Kanky shoving. It looked like the 98 of Rocha out of turn number 4. He's going to shove him again. He's like, I got somewhere to be. Are we going 3 wide?
It looked to be that way, but that little wiggle. Oh, and they're stacking up on the low side. Gomes up to second now, but we are stacking them up.
Oh, I think Kanky's a little done. Rocha is around. Who's going to avoid it? Everyone. The 98's going to start at the rear. The 33 is being asked to restart at the rear. Kel Kanky, Blaine Rocha.
Well, why don't we see how it happened?
Please, enlighten us. Yeah, that's about how I remembered it. Oh, man. Good job to the whole field for avoiding that.
Yeah, well.
The good thing is the 98's still running, so he has time to turn it around. We got over 50 laps to go, a long way to go in this race, and some new players up front.
Back to green we go.
Hansen opting to restart on the outside. Gomes says, I'll take the inside, but Hansen fights back. Gomes has the advantage. You see a couple side-by-side battles, including Nasty Nascimento, Robertson on the outside of Zampa, and John Moore is just partying in the middle of it all. Ooh, I thought maybe we were going to see the bumper apply there to Nascimento.
We're starting to see more slides, and I wonder if these tires are starting to be used up, or if these adjustments need some time to curate, as they say.
I'll tell you what's curating. That is a great battle for 5th right here.
Typically in a situation like this, oh, Rocha off the pace, down the back straightaway. Is this 98 done for the night?
Oh, he spins it over in the middle of the corner.
Just about got the barrier on track.
Caution.
Entrance.
Restart lap number 41. Excuse me. Restart, 41 laps to go.
Much better.
I thought that would clean things up.
That was kind of a jumbled up restart.
And
it's a restart.
That restart did not work into Hansen's favor. He has Dan Holtz now he's going to have to worry about. And that 23 is looking to clear for second. I'm not even going to start to talk about.
No. We're at the commentary curse now.
Yeah. Oh!
Maybe we need to talk about it. Jase Hansen's not going to let it go easy. And now we see the battle for the second spot. To the inside, the 08 of Jase Hansen. Holtz up high. And it is a touchy-feely type of battle.
We got some great racing happening for the second position. And great racing can sometimes lead to less than happy drivers.
08, Hansen to the low side, might not even need the bumper.
Oh, that's contact.
There's contact.
There's the 23 washing way wide and out of the groove. Oh, trouble out of turn number 4. The 98 machine cuts a tire down and saves it. He was in the midst of a 3-wide battle. So where does that leave us here? Jase Hansen is in second.
Jacob Gomes is in the lead.
Nascimento, the rookie.
Holding off the veteran.
For now, John Moore showing him what it's like to get a bumper.
Yeah. I think that's the only thing he can do.
And yeah.
The caution might come out soon.
There's opportunity. It could happen. John Moore making a clean pass there on Ethan Nascimento. There's a lot of drivers just asking Kanky, they're like, just wash up.
We need to catch the 16, but the 16 is gone.
The 16 has a 5-second lead on the field. There's a reason we're watching this good battle here out of turn number 2. And that's going to lead us to another battle, assuming this one stays clean and green. Because ahead of them, John Moore is on the inside of Dan Holtz. Bacon Boy is looking to do it again. You talked about repeat winners in the Winter Showdown, and Jacob Gomes is going to see himself into victory lane in 2023.
Wow, man. Jacob, congratulations. This car was a rocket ship after the halfway point, man. You really had to bide your time.
Yeah, I mean, this is the longest, we've made on one set of tires. So I knew we had to have something at the end, and I knew I just had to bide my time there. Coming to the end, and we just knew what we had. We've been great all week, and just Mike Keene and everybody on my team, my dad, everybody made a great call there at the halfway break and made this thing a lot better, and just picked our time there and battled, try to get as many as we could there, and then the rest was it.
Jacob Gomes, ladies and gentlemen, Sunny Valley Smoke Meats number 16, Deloso Family Farms, sponsor machine, and now his daughter gets to join him in Raymond's Trophy Victory Lane. Give it up for him one more time, ladies and gentlemen.